Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna talk about TOEFL Speaking Question 2. This type of questions is about campus announcement and student conversation. The campus announcement is usually about a change on campus, such as building a parking lot or canceling a class. It's really like real-life situations on campus. I have similar discussions with my MBA classmates sometimes. This is why I often encourage people who are going to study in North America to prepare for TOEFL instead of IELTS. TOEFL is more related to the culture and the way that people speak here. Today, I will walk you through the question requirements and show you how to use the template and take notes. I will also give you a sample response and share my tips and strategies. Okay, let's get started. Question 2 is an integrated task since you will read a short passage for 45 seconds and listen to a passage for about 75 seconds. Then you have 30 seconds for preparation and 60 seconds to speak up your answer. Like other speaking tests, time is really tight. Here's a reading passage. It's from ETS TOEFL Free Practice Test, not TOEFL Bank this time. Remember to practice on different materials. See, the reading is not really long, but you won't see it again while speaking. In the listening, there are two students discussing the topics in reading. The question will ask you to state one speaker's opinion and why the speaker has this opinion. Now you know what you are going to do in this question. Grab information from reading and listening, then paraphrase the information. Although it's a speaking test, it requires reading and listening skills. Here's my template. Remember to use a template in speaking because you don't have enough time to organize your speaking in 30 seconds. I'm going to explain the template structure briefly so that you can understand and memorize it easily. First, talk about the topic in the reading for about 10 to 15 seconds. You can use this useful phrase according to. Get reading topic and make ideas to fill in the blanks. Bullet points 2 to 4 are all for paraphrasing the listening. You only need to state one speaker's opinion, so first just talk about one person's opinion in about 5 seconds. Sometimes you can guess who the speaker will be, since he or she may have an opposite opinion against the reading, or the speaker talks more than the other. These are clues. There are usually two reasons from the speaker. Write them down and speak in this format, reason plus example. Each of them is about 20 seconds. Sometimes the speaker may give you explanations instead of examples. Just paraphrase what the speaker says. Don't be afraid of paraphrasing and don't make it up by yourself. Don't talk about your personal opinions in integrated questions. Your notes should be taken based on the template. I usually wrote this before taking notes to save a little bit of time. R for reading, L for listening, and M for man, W for woman. Let me show you how to take note now. In reading, check out the title and the first sentence first. Its main idea. Write it down in short. You can finish the first sentence of the template. If you want to get a higher score, find more details from the reading. Keep skimming. You will find keywords like accidents, colliding, safety risk. This is the reason why the university bans bicycles. Then free buses run between campus buildings. That's it. If you don't get all information, don't freak out. It's more important to paraphrase listening. Next, we listen to the audio and take notes together. The audio is only 1 minute. Get ready with your pen and paper. Let's get started.
Hey, Sue, did you see this article?
Yeah, I did. I don't think that's a very good idea.
Really? You don't think it's a safety hazard, like they said?
No, at least not during the day. I'm pretty sure both of those accidents happened at night when it's harder to see cyclists. They didn't say that in the article.
Oh, that does make a difference.
Sure it does. Maybe at night with low visibility there's a safety hazard. But I don't think there's any danger in the daytime, which is when most people need to move around and get to classes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Besides, it's such a big campus. If they do this, it's going to be really hard to get around.
Well, we can always take the bus, I guess.
But the buses only run once an hour.
That's true. They're not very convenient.
No, not at all. If people have to take the bus, we'll end up sitting around waiting for the next one all the time, and we're all too busy to waste our time doing that.
Okay, who is the speaker being asked in the question? Definitely the woman. She states her opinions and talks more than the man. Her reasons are related to the points in reading. Then you can start to prepare your answer when the question prompt is spoken. Practice more on listening since you need to understand it first before speaking. Remember to get familiar with your template. Arrange time for each bullet point based on what you get from reading and listening. The time schedule is not always fixed. Here's my answer. The structure is exactly the same as the template. You only need to put what you get from reading and listening into the template. Don't change your template too many times. Focus on improving your skills on reading, listening, and speaking. Record yourself while practicing and listen again to see how you are doing. Or send recordings to your partners or friends and ask them for feedback. Speak louder to show your confidence and don't worry about paraphrasing. Try your best to cover more points in the required time. And practice more on different materials instead on one like I did. I practiced on TOEFLbank.com since it recorded and graded my speaking, but its speaking questions are too easy. I overestimated my speaking abilities. I made another video about 9 free TOEFL resources. Make good use of these free materials. Speaking is difficult to improve in a short time. Find a partner or talk to yourself. I often talk to myself and it's really helpful. Keep practicing. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya.